Hey team, welcome to Cryptovoxels version 3.26.2. In this version we've got a new UI, we've got a new chat here showing us the new persons that are online right now, and the chat is now saved on a server. We've got this little camera here, a Womp. So say I go to this place here and take a Womp, it takes a screenshot, and you can add a little Womp, another test Womp, and you can send it and it's gonna make a big noise. There you go. So now if I go back to my parcel, if I press tab, I have this new menu here. So what it does is it pretty much does everything else we can do apart from this new NFT tab right there. So it's currently loading, but it will load all the NFTs you own and some NFTs that are in the world, for example, right there. So if I go No Shot Quest, for example, and if I want to put this NFT on my wall, I can click on it, hold it, and put it on the wall. And there we go. Now if I want to add a Vox, so Vox right here, click on it, and then put it on the ground. There you go. So something you notice is we've got this new animation component right there. So this new animation component, you can add position, scaling, and rotation. So for example, if we want to put a rotation to it, we have to put an initial keyframe and put its initial rotation to what it currently is. You don't have to, but depending on what you want to do, it would be a smart idea to do that. So say I want to make it spin forever and ever, okay? So I will add another keyframe and I will tell you a little secret. It's not really a secret, but what you have to do to make it spin forever is you want to add the double of pi, okay? So pi is 3.14, then the double of it is approximately 6.25 in game at least, okay? So in my case, since I start at 1.57, sorry, I have to do 6.25 plus 1.57. So if I get my little calculator out, it will tell me that it's 7.82, okay? And as you can see, it's already spinning forever and ever. So if I put it to 300, it will take 10 seconds to rotate forever, okay? So in this case, 300 means 10 seconds because the standard is 30 frames per second, okay? So 30 frames per second, in this case 300 will be 10 seconds. Alright, so now it's rotating forever and ever. So if I put it back to 6.25 and then to 0, let's put it to 30, it takes exactly 1 second to spin forever and ever. Cool. Let's add scaling. So the initial scale has to be what it is right now, or else the Vox model doesn't exist. Cool. Then what I'll do is I'll make it 1 second to go bigger. So 1 second to go to 2, 2, and 2, and then another second to go to 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. There we go. Great, so that's a pulse. Let's remove that. How about we go position? We want to make something go up. So here we don't have to initiate it. It already takes into consideration that we're at that position. So what I'll do is I'll add a vector. So it'll take 1 second to go 5 high, and then another second to go back to 0. And there we go, we've got a bouncing Vox. There we go. Sweet. What else? So if I press E and click on the Vox model right there, I've got the normal stuff, the features, the script, and we've got tiles here. So I don't have to click on the Vox model for that. Tiles is what it used to be before when you want to build. So say I want to make it green, so I click on green, and then I click on this cube, and I can add some green green cubes, so green voxels. There you go. So tab again, yellow, say I want to put a yellow cross, and you can put it there. Alright, so say you made a mistake. I made a mistake and I want to make this, the green cubes, I want to make them yellow as well. So what you can do is you click and hold, press and hold Control, and then you click on all those all those cubes, and there we go. So that's how you can edit the ground or the wall without deleting it. So here I'm editing the ground to the yellow crosses. Great. One thing I have to mention is that when you're holding Control, it's really tempting to start walking around to like select the whole parcel, for example. Do not do that, because you will accidentally press Control and W, and Control and W will close the tab, and so close the game. So do not do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the new UI and animations. Have fun.